In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Sidebar from Brave browser. If the sidebar on the left of your Brave window feels distracting or takes up space you'd rather have for web pages, this quick walkthrough will help you hide it completely in just a few clicks. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. First, make sure Brave e-open and that you're looking at any browser window. In the top right corner of the Brave window, you'll see the main menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click that icon to open Brave's menu. This is where Brave keeps many of its appearance and customization controls. With the menu open, move your mouse pointer over the option labeled Show Sidebar. Don't click yet, just hover. When you hover over Show Sidebar, a small submenu will appear to the side. This submenu is where you can control when or if the sidebar appears. From that submenu, select Never. The moment you choose Never, Brave will hide the sidebar across your browsing so that it won't pop up on the side of your window. You should see the change right away. The left column disappears, and your web content has a bit more room to breathe. That's all it takes. You clicked the three-line menu, hovered over Show Sidebar, and selected Never. If you ever change your mind and want the sidebar back, repeat the same path and choose a different visibility option from that Show Sidebar submenu. It's the same spot, so you don't need to learn anything new to reverse the change. A couple of quick notes to help clarify what just happened. The sidebar is the vertical panel that can hold things like bookmarks, playlists, or workspace controls. Hiding it doesn't remove your data. It simply turns off the panel so you can focus on the page content. This is different from the bookmarks bar, which sits horizontally under the address bar. If you still see a bar containing bookmarks across the top, that's normal. It's not the sidebar and is managed separately. This process is the same on Windows, macOS, and Linux, and it works whether you use Brave in light or dark mode. If you don't see the Show Sidebar option immediately, make sure you clicked the main three-line menu in the top right of the window and hovered with your mouse rather than clicking. Once you select Never, you're done. Enjoy the cleaner, roomier browsing experience.